Welcome back to our video. Today we are going to look at how to change from various bases to base 10. Let's begin with base 5. Our question is, change 3-2 in base 5 to base 10. Remember, our goal is to learn how to use the calculator more efficiently and productively, so that we spend the least amount of time on calculations and still get correct answers quickly and easily. So let's start. We have 3-2 base 5, and we want to change it to base 10. Automatically, it becomes 3, open bracket, times 5 to the power of 1, plus 2 times 5 to the power of 0. We all know that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1, so 5 to the power of 0 is simply 1. That means the expression simplifies to 3 times 5 plus 2. Our answer is 17 in base 10. Simple. In other words, this could be our solution. But what if we replace 5 with an unknown, let's say x? Instead of writing 5, we replace it with x. This gives us an expression of 3x plus 2. We already know that x represents 5. Now, on the calculator, instead of pressing equals, we press calc. The calculator will ask us for the value of x. We enter 5, press equals, and get 17 instantly. That was very fast. Now, let's look at a slightly more complex example using the same method. Suppose we want to convert 1 for 5-2 base 6 to base 10. If we take the long method, we would write 1 times 6 to the power of 3, plus 4 times 6 squared, plus 5 times 6 to the power of 1, plus 2 times 6 to the power of 0. We know that 6 to the power of 3 is a 6 cubed. If we replace 6 with x, it becomes x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 2. We already know x is 6, but the calculator doesn't know yet. So, let's enter this expression x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 2. Now we press calc, and the calculator asks for the value of x. We enter 6, press equals, and the calculator instantly gives us the answer in base 10. Isn't that much easier? You can try as many examples as you like. By practicing this method, you'll be able to solve exam questions on base conversions quickly, and you can even check your work immediately while still on paper. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share with a friend.